Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video we will talk about the advantages and disadvantages of using FreeBSD operating system. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. What are the advantages and disadvantages of using FreeBSD operating system? Let us go to the advantages. First, FreeBSD is extremely clean and predictable OS or operating system. Next, we have here, it acts as an excellent alternative to traditional Unix platforms. Third, security is primary concern as it is monolithic kernel. Fourth, it is stable. Fifth, good documentation. And we have here the 6th license, it is free. How about the disadvantages? The disadvantages of using FreeBSD operating system are very few. It outweighs the advantages over the disadvantages. First, issue on hardware compatibility as of now. Second, also there is a less developer support. Third, a bit complex to understand, so it takes time to study. And then lastly, it needs a good amount of practice to be proficient in using the FreeBSD operating system. Okay guys, so this is the end of our presentation and report on the advantages and disadvantages of the FreeBSD operating system. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.